Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Proton Mail for end-to-end email privacy step-by-step clearly. Visit the Proton Mail website by entering www.protonmail.com in your browser. On the home page, locate the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to start the subscription process. You will be presented with different subscription plans. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. If you prefer a free option, select the free plan. For paid plans, click on the corresponding option that interests you. After selecting your plan, click on the Select button to proceed. You will be directed to create your account. Fill out the required information, including your desired email address and a secure password. Make sure to choose a strong password for enhanced security. Next, you may need to verify your account through a CAPTCHA challenge. Complete the CAPTCHA to continue. Once the CAPTCHA is verified, click on Create Account. Proton Mail may ask for additional verification via a recovery email. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, if required. After verification, you will be taken to your new Proton Mail inbox. Explore the settings to customize your privacy features. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore additional features offered by Proton Mail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.